Hi, I'm Marlon, and here's another guitar building video. Now, I have always liked Strats. This is an American-made deluxe Strat, noiseless pickups, S1 switching, locking tuners, and a really good Strat. And so I was thinking, what could I do to possibly top this? So I designed a Death Machine, which has locking tuners, has Greasy Groove pick guard, also has tremolo cover, also has an etched neck plate. Anyway, watch the video and I'll show you how I built this. Then at the end of it, I'll show you what it sounds like.
The Fretwire Stratocaster guitar was first unboxed. The replacement parts consisting of Greasy Groove pickguard, etched neck plate, tremolo cover, skull knobs, skull head tuners, locking tuners, wiring harness, graphite nut, strap lock, and 3 gold foil single coil pickups were examined. The fretboard and body cavities were carefully taped off with blue painter tape. A template was marked on the headstock, and the headstock was cut with a jigsaw and shaped with a Dremel tool. The body and neck were sanded using number 80, number 180, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks. The body was stained with 6 coats of red Kita dye. Six coats of Tru-oil finish were applied to the body and neck. The decals were created using an inkjet printer and decal paper. 7 coats of Krylon gloss crystal clear lacquer was applied to the decals. Decals were applied to the body of the guitar and the neck. Decals were treated with 6 coats of clear lacquer. Frets were polished with number 400 steel wool. Locking tuner heads were replaced with skull tuning heads, and then the locking tuners were installed. String trees were installed. Graphite nut was installed. Gold foil single coil pickups and wiring harness were installed in the pickguard. The tremolo bridge was installed. The output jack was installed. Ground wire was soldered to the tremolo claw. Pickups and electronics were tested using an amplifier and a screwdriver. Pickguard and knobs were then fastened into place. Tremolo cover and neck plate were screwed into place. Strap locks were installed. Guitar was strung and string height was adjusted along with intonation. This is how the finished guitar looks.
Okay, this is how the guitar sounds. I'm going to start with the bridge pickup, move to the second position, then move to the third position or the middle pickup, then the fourth position, and then finally the fifth position, which should be the neck. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.